Hi friends, today I will talk about the Rafale fighter jets and its 10 amazing facts. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. The 5 Rafale combat jets that arrived at the Ambala Air Station Wednesday after flying about 7,000 km from France are the first foreign induction by the Indian Air Force in 23 years into its mind-boggling inventory of fighters. So let's talk about the facts. Fact number 1. 36 Rafale fighter jets are likely to be based in Ambala in Punjab and Hashimara in West Bengal in terms of guarding of two borders. Fact number 2. The French-made Rafale fighter jet is a high-precision medium multi-role combat aircraft. This is said to be one of the most modern fourth-generation aircraft. Fact number 3. Rafale fighter jets are built in such a way that they can ensure its own survivability with onboard systems itself. The design provides more chances of survival in a hostile air environment and ensures high maneuverability. Fact number 4. Rafale fighter jets has 2 engines and the capacity to carry up to 3 200-liter tanks on each of the wet points. The fighter jets has active electronically scanned array radar with a range of over 350 km. Rafale fighter jets has the look-down, shoot-down capability. Rafale also has an integrated electronic warfare system. Fact number 5. Rafale fighter jets has the capability to carry up to 6 air-to-air missiles and 6 specialist bombs. Fact number 6. Rafale has air-to-air refueling capabilities. It can refuel another aircraft in buddy mode. The Rafale for Indian Air Force has been manufactured based on Indian-specific enhancements. Fact number 7. The Rafale fighter jets have several India-specific modifications. These include Israeli helmet-mounted displays, low-band jammers, radar warning receivers, infrared search, and tracking systems with 10-hour flight data recording among others. Fact number 8. In 2016, an agreement was signed between New Delhi and Paris for 36 Rafale aircraft at a cost of 7.8 billion euros. A large number of Indian Air Force officers and airmen are being trained in France for flying, maintenance support, and logistics for handling Rafale. Fact number 9. India is the 4th country after Egypt, France and Qatar to bolster its fleet with the Rafale fighter jets. Rafale is also the 2nd French fighter Indian Air Force will have in its fleet. Air Force already has Mirage 2000 which is also French made. And the last and the most important fact is fact number 10. All the Rafale fighters jets are expected to arrive by 2022 in India. Neither Pakistan nor China possesses a Rafale as deadly as this. An Indian Rafale jet will be able to shoot down an enemy aircraft even if over 100 km away without even crossing the Indian airspace. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share this video to your friends and family. This will motivate me to make more videos for you. Thank you.